Hi everyone, I created a lead research, review and email generation workflow. This is for reaching out to potential leads through email and gotten good results from the emails that I've sent so far. So first off, you have to add in your sheet ID, then you can add in the number of batches. I will currently do only a single batch just to demonstrate the workflow. Along with that, I will add my key signature as well as my name so that it will be attached to the email. You can add attachments also, like PDFs or any other documents that you need to share. Now I'll start the workflow. As you can see, it processes and collects the data from the sheets, then it passes it through ChatGPT. It doesn't use the API key, it directly goes to the chat. If you don't have money to spend on the API key, it can directly go through your account and you have to log in, and it will paste in the content and save the content in MD files. As you can see, I'm getting the data from this lead sheet. This lead sheet I've gotten from Apify.com. I'll show you the process in a long video. This is just a demo. Then it gets all the information and research about the company through the AI, through web search. Then I've kept a lot of parameters in order to improve the quality of the research, and created a review for removing AI hallucinations. So once that is done, it is tracked in the tracker sheet that is alongside with the lead sheet. So you can see that the data is being processed one by one. It's basically a 3-step process. When it researches the company, it reviews the content that we have generated and generates the final email. Once that it is done, that content is passed through to Gmail. As you can see, the content has been generated. All the MD files are saved in a specific folder, as you can see. So if you want to review and understand the company, you can do so. So there's no wastage. You can see the email has been generated, and which is saved in drafts. It's not directly sent because that will affect the rating of your email, and your email might be blacklisted or it will go to the spam folder if you're not sending quality emails to different people, and you might be marked by Gmail or the email providers. So be careful and ensure that your email ID is protected by sending quality emails only and not garbage. Please support me by trying the code yourself and giving me feedback as to how I can improve the workflow. Also, if anyone wants to learn how to build these kinds of workflow and would like my help, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email is there on the YouTube channel or LinkedIn or wherever I've posted this video. Thank you.